Amazon, PhonePe, or ChatGPT. I think this we use regularly, right?
Yes.
So let's say, imagine your Instagram account got hacked. Okay, how do you feel? Like if there is a what kind of like feeling you will be having when you lose the Instagram account if it is got hacked? What all the data will be get stealed? Are you able to hear me, Kunal, or you are not? Hema. Hello, Emma. Are you there?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Kunal, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can. It's actually the network issue. That's why my voice can't. Oh,
Okay, I just want to be interactive. Even it's in Hindi, right? That's okay. Fine. We can talk in Hindi. But I just want the coach, the demo should be interactive because I should know how much you know, right?
okay. Okay.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let's say you tell in Hindi also, no worries. What if
No,
Instagram?
sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm comfortable with both language, Hindi and English.
Okay, then fine. So
Okay.
can you tell me like what if your Instagram account got hacked? What happens when your Instagram like account got hacked?
So you want, sir, first of all, the my personal, if the account is private
Okay.
and I have post. So first of all, the post got shared to the hacker. Second thing, my messages and the personal activities I have done on Instagram. All the data I have on Instagram, all gonna be shared to the hacker, or the hacker can easily access the data now.
Yeah, right. So as you said, data, right? So
Yes,
data
sir.
is the important thing, like your personal details, maybe, right? Your mobile
Yes.
number, your email ID,
Yeah.
and your
Yes.
photo, right? Photos. Those are all your personal identities. We call it as in cybersecurity, we call it as personal identity information.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
Yes.
messages, account got deleted. Sometimes he can also delete your account or he can impersonate
Yes.
as you. Impersonate means
Yes.
he can act like you, like he can message like you to someone.
Yes,
Someone.
sir. I know that that's what. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
That's what I'm currently saying, sir. That the person who hacked my Insta, he can also act like me and can borrow money by my name. and the other illegal activities he can do using my name and my data.
Right. So to avoid this, we need to you do something. What is that? We need to
Yes,
secure the application, right? Secure
yes, sir.
Instagram and secure
Yes,
WhatsApp, or secure any web application or phone pay, Amazon, because all these contains personal data, right?
yes, sir.
So this process is called cyber security. Getting?
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. So one is cyber security is the practice of protecting computers, okay, that may be laptops, systems, okay. It should also get
By
protected.
yes,
Networks.
sir.
Networks means, let's say,
Net
yeah, tell me.
network means the it's like a now how should I tell you? Like I know it, but currently I don't have the right words to explain it.
Okay, okay. So I will tell you. Uh,
Okay.
do you know office? So not office. You stay at home, right?
Yes, sir.
So in home you have
Okay.
Wi-Fi.
Yes.
Wi-Fi, when you are in home, that is called home network. That is your Wi-Fi.
Yes, sir.
If you go to
Yes.
office, let's say, the office will have another network. If you go to college, a college will have another network, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
is network. So someone can hack the network also. So cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, networks, applications like Instagram, like Amazon, Flipkart. So all these are applications. Servers like big Amazon data center will be there, right?
Yes,
Microsoft
sir.
data centers, Amazon data center, Google data centers. Those all data center consists of big servers. Okay.
Means the place where the all the user data got stored.
Yeah,
That
right,
thing called server, right?
right. So server consists of one thing. One is operating system, RAM, ROM. ROM is like how mobile will have that, right? Server, like
Yes.
mobile will also have some memory, operating system, and speed. RAM is for speed, right? So that can also
Yes,
get
sir.
hacked. So that is also we need to protect in cyber security. So cyber security is the practice of protecting that also. And also data. Data means personal data, yeah, or company's data, college data, some sensitive data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now you read this. See, cyber security is the practice of protecting these all from hackers and cyber attacks.
Yes.
So think simple analogy I am giving you. Analogy means some example. Think about your
Yes,
home.
yes, sir.
Your home has doors, right? Locks,
Yes, sir.
CCTV, security guard. Let's say
Yes.
if it is on a big home, security guard. Then why?
Yes, sir.
So this is some security controls that you are putting. Means some security safe guidelines. You can safeguard guarding tools like that. To like you are putting to secure a house door, you are giving locks, you are putting CCTV, you are putting, and then you are having a security guard. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why we are doing this? To stop the thieves to enter into the house. Applications also need protection like this. Instead of
Yes,
thieves,
sir.
there will be hackers. Then comes what is application security. So application security means protecting software applications from security vulnerabilities and cyber attacks. Okay. Say what are security
Yes, sir.
vulnerabilities, what is cyber attacks. We will discuss this later. Vulnerability means you just think it is the weakness.
Yes, sir. I know that vulnerability means the part of an application which is weak or can be hacked easily.
Right. So let's say in a house, there is a lock. And if that lock is broken means that is the vulnerability of that house. Okay.
Yes,
Analogy.
sir.
I'm giving you one simple analogy or example to get you remember. I think you already know it. What is vulnerability?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are some examples of the applications. Banking applications. So these are very sensitive applications. Why banking applications are sensitive?
Sir, cause banking applications have access of our banking account, and if the hacker takes the control, he can easily manipulate or withdraw our money without our permission.
Right. So here main sensitive thing is money, right?
Yes,
If he get access to money, if he can withdraw. So these are all
yes, sir.
indirect, like Amazon, because Amazon we give credit card, debit card, or any other details. But banking
Yes,
directly
yes,
it consists the transactions. It consists very sensitive thing. That's why if you work in banking applications or banking domain companies, right, you will get good experience. Okay, because you will know how to secure bank applications like ICICI.com or ICICIbank.com will be there, HDFCbank.com or any SBI.com. So those are all banking applications, right? Web application. How to secure them if you learn or if you work in that companies, you will get good exposure. Okay.
yes, sir.
So just think about your what does it store? Let's say they take any application now, any application that we use, Amazon, Flipkart, or anyone.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me any application name? I will ask you three questions.
Uh,
Yeah.
we can choose anyone, sir, like Amazon, Flipkart.
Yeah,
Anyone you
Zepto,
want.
Blinkit, lot of things are there, right? E-commerce,
Yes,
banking
yes,
applications,
sir.
uh, air like airline booking applications, anything, anyone you take an example. Shall we take
Yes,
Amazon?
sir. Let's take okay. Let's take Amazon as an example.
Okay. So Amazon, what does it store? Amazon, not only personal data,
Mm. With it, sir, Amazon have our banking details or credit card details. Because if we pay by card or any payment app, it
right?
actually saves the details. So next time if we pay, we don't need to fill the details.
Right, right. So those are all the data that it stores in the database or the server, right? Database, you know, right? Database. Any
Yes,
idea?
sir, I know. I know. Yes, I
Okay.
know.
So there will be front end, back end, then database. Front end is
Yes,
like where you are accessing the application. If you are accessing
yes,
in the
sir.
mobile, you will be able to see the front end, or in the web, you will be able to see the front end.
Yes, sir.
Back end is logic.
Yes, sir. I know that things like front end means that the things we are seeing in on the phone, but the backend means the code running behind the things, or we can say the codes of logic working to run the app.
Right, right. You are correct only. Logic, like what we are doing in the front end, everything logic is in the back end. And let's say if there is any sensitive things like credit card detail, debit card detail, username, password, everything will be stored in the database tables. Okay. That is
Yes, sir.
what. Then second question, what happens if hacker steals the data?
So if hacker gets that data, he can simply use it by if he gets my credit card details.
Okay.
So, let's take Amazon have a vulnerability,
Okay.
and a hacker easily access it, and now he has not only mine but all the users who use credit cards or debit cards. That
Fine.
data has stored in database.
Okay.
So now he can access the data and use it by his own will.
Hmm. Right. So he can place any orders on your name, right? If he add your Amazon
Yes,
application, your account application, right?
yes, sir.
Let's say
Yes,
he got your credentials somehow, and he can do anything with your name. He can place the orders. If your credit card is linked to that account, he can. or like use your money, right? He can delete, he can change the password also of your account, right? Like that. So would users trust the application again? Will the users trust the application again? So in your perspective, the data is stored, right? But the application will also will lose the reputation, right? Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Reputation means
Yes, sir.
Amazon, if somebody hacked it, will you use it? No, like somebody
No,
hacked
of course,
it, right?
of course not. I'm not. I'm not going to use it again.
Right? Because if they your
Because
data is getting stored, your credentials or your credit card details, it you no one will be trusting it again. So that's this
yes,
question.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let's see how does a web application work. See, user will be there, like you, me, and many people.
Yes.
Browser will be there. Okay.
Okay.
Browser means this where I am accessing the application. This is the browser, right? Chrome browser. Here I am accessing. So this is the browser. Okay. Where we interact to the application. That is the browser. Then internet will be there. Okay. Internet. Through the internet, it will go to the Amazon server, like somewhere in the data center, it is there. And whatever you are asking, right, you are getting it from the data center only. You will send a request, you will get back in the response. I will show you. Right click, do inspect.
Sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
Can you repeat that last internet process?
This one, internet.
Yes, yes. It's actually network issue here, so your voice isn't clear.
How about now? Is it clear?
Okay. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So what I was saying, I told you, right? So where is the browser? Browser is in your system from where you are accessing.
Yes, sir.
So this is the front end, and your this is the browser
Yeah.
where the application is you are accessing. Now internet means
Yeah.
what is? So whatever you are, so you don't have the server right here. Amazon server is
Yes,
not
sir.
here. It is somewhere in the Amazon data center, right?
Yes.
So who will take that to date? So let's say if I want to uh, now select anything, refrigerator, I clicked here. So how I am getting this page? Because server is sending to us this page. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you request something, you will get something in response. I will show you what I mean.
Uh,
If you
yes,
see,
sir. I think I know it. Like whenever we click on something, the request goes to the server, and then in return, server gives us response.
right. So server gives the response, right? But how? Because
Yes, sir.
internet of is the main thing which is helping you to communicate with the server. Without internet,
Yes,
let's
sir.
say if I off the internet and if I click this, it won't come, right? It won't
Yes,
go to
sir.
the page. It won't add your cart because
Yes,
internet
sir.
is the main thing that is helping you to connect to
Yeah.
communicate with the server. Okay.
Okay.
Let's say user has entered the credit card details. Okay, in the payment field.
Yes.
Then this credit card details will be stored in the database.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is the procedure or this is the web application uh, functionality. How does it work? Let's how Amazon.
Okay.
So this is the process behind it.
Yes, sir.
So you open the Instagram, you enter your username and password. The browser sends a request. Instagram checks the credential. Database verifies your account. So database also verifies
Yes.
your account. Are you the new user or old user? Because if you are a new user, right, it will give you invalid credential.
A new account.
Right. Yeah, if you are a new
Got
user
it.
and you are trying to log in, but you cannot log in, right, without registering. You need to first sign up.
Yes, sir.
So Instagram will
Yes.
error sign up first. You are not a user
Yes, sir.
like that. So Instagram sends the response. Getting? So everything happens in milliseconds. Okay.
Yes.
So what can hackers attack? So what you are able to see, the same thing hacker will also be able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Because he is also in the internet. He can also use the
Yes,
Wi-Fi,
sir.
connect to the Amazon. He can log into the Amazon.
Yes.
So he will attack on these functionalities. Okay. Login, password reset, search functionality, payment pages, APIs, file uploads. What there is, why he want to steal the passwords, credit card information, personal data, business secrets. To achieve this goal or to steal this data, he will use these functionalities. Okay. Why he is
Yes,
using?
sir.
Why? Because let's say in the login functionality, what is happening? You see here above user, you open
Yes,
the,
sir.
you enter username password. So this is
Yes.
interacting with the database, right?
Yes, sir.
So this interaction he will use, okay, to hack the database.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Try to get the admin access because admin access can do anything. He will try to get the admin
Yes,
access.
sir.
How we can do admin access, that I will show you later in the course. Okay, we have a
Okay.
full-fledged course. We will learn there. So today is a demo class. I'm just explaining you what you will learn and how you will be, how I will be teaching to you. Are you getting?
Sir, yes, sir, I'm getting it. But let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
Actually, I already know the basics because in my 11th and 12th,
Okay.
actually I was interested in cybersecurity. So by online YouTube lectures and other things, I nearly cover my basics.
Okay. Fine, fine. I will show you the course
Uh,
then. If you know the basics, what we will be covering in the course,
yes,
I will
sir.
show you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you see, these all you know, I think basic.
Sairam sir,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, sir. After completion of the demo, once tell to me, sir. I will talk with student.
Sure, sure, sure. Yeah. Okay. Kunal, let me tell you. So there are some basics also we will be covering, but after that we will
Okay.
be going to Linux. This also you know Linux.
Yes, sir.
Like, what is Bash? What is Linux? And all. Then we will covering
Best.
networking.
Okay.
Uh, Let me tell you where we will be starting the advance. See,
Okay.
here you see OWASP top 10. These are the vulnerabilities that we need to secure from our application. Then from here we will do the practicals. Okay. We will use lot of tools. We will use
Uh,
tools.
Sir, can I ask when and how the practical gonna happen?
Okay. So practicals we will be covering SAST, SCA, that is software composition analysis, IAC scans, and we will be using SonarCube tool. We will use Sneak tool. We will use CI/CD integrations. We will do penetration
Oh,
testing. Okay. We will do DAST.
okay.
Everything we will cover. Even the integration. Even some AI security like stuff also I will cover because I'm a AI security
Okay.
engineer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will show you there. I think I thought you want it from basics. That's why I built another course. But I have advanced course also. I will show you. See, first of all, we will cover all this application security. CIA tried, you know, right? Confidentiality, integrity, availability. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
rule of the application security. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So from here we will be covering practicals, secure coding language,
Okay, sir.
DevSecOps. Okay. what is DevOps, what is Agile, what is waterfall model, everything we will cover.
Okay.
I will, what is SAST? Okay, what is SAST? What is SonarQube? Then CI/CD integration, pipeline, secret scanning. We will do secret scanning. With these tools, we will
Yeah.
ZAP, Terraform security concepts, and CI/CD integrations with Jenkins. Okay, GitHub Actions and GitHub.
Okay.
What is Git? What is Burp Suite? Postman, ZAP, practicals. These all. Okay.
Okay.
In Burp Suite, we will cover proxy, target, repeater, intruder, all these techniques. What are bearer tokens? What is API? What is API security?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And some SOC fundamentals. We will cover what is SOC. Then also IAM and authentication security.
Okay.
Got it? So here we won't cover practicals, but I have little experience in that. I will cover some, not some. I will tell you what they actually do. IAM team will be there. SOC team will be there. Those
Okay.
are different team. Application security is different team. How we can cover
Okay.
it in the organization with them. So for you, it's very advanced.
So,
Okay.
okay. So, sir, you mean to say that there are different teams for different work?
Yeah.
Okay.
For each concept, we will use different tools.
Okay.
Around I think 5 to 6 tools we will be using, and also AWS we will
Okay.
be using cloud. AWS, Docker, we will be using consistently to install the tools, to run our tools, SonarQube, Sneak. Sneak can be
Okay.
used, I think SonarQube, Jenkins, and some other tools. Burp Suite, we can all, I will show you the tool Burp Suite. Wait. Any doubts?
No, sir.
You're getting right?
Yes, sir.
That is good. Actually, you know basics and you covered it at once. That
Okay.
actually, I think you already understand because it's very tough to understand cybersecurity, what it is and how does it happening, everything. That is good.
Yes, I know that.
Yeah. So then we cover some basics and then we can go to advanced. I will give you SOPs also how to do standard procedure document, how to perform whatever you're doing. Okay, how to install the tool, everything.
Okay, sir.